Hello and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a plant pot from a yogurt pot. Here's what you'll need for the craft: a yogurt pot, a piece of plain paper just enough to cover the pot with, a pair of scissors, make sure you have adult supervision, a bit of string for measuring the pot, some glue, preferably a Pritt stick glue, some colours, pens or pencils, whatever you like, and some extra decorative things from around your house. For bonus materials, you can have moist soils, stones, and a seed. For the first step, we're going to take our string and we're going to measure the length and circumference of our yogurt pot. We're then going to take those measurements and mark them on the plain piece of paper. Once that's marked, we can then cut the piece of paper to the size of the yogurt pot. This is going to serve as our design space. With our design space prepared, we can now grab our pens and pencils and anything that we found around our house, like ribbons and stickers, and begin to design our plant pot. You can put any design you like onto the paper. Maybe you can do something like mine and put a nice garden scene. Go wild! This step will take the longest out of the whole craft process, but it's sure going to be a lot of fun. In the next step, we're going to prepare our yogurt pot. Make sure you have adult supervision and guidance for this. Take the pair of scissors and puncture a hole in the bottom of the pot. This is going to serve as a drainage point for water when there's soil in it. If there's a flappy edge, just push it in to make sure the hole is nice and neat. With the pot all prepped, we can now glue our design onto it. Make sure the design is turned round, and we're going to glue all around the edge and in the middle to make sure there is enough sticky. Then we're going to take the paper and we're going to stick it around the pot. Make sure there is enough contact with the paper on the pot so it's held firmly in place. And you have your completed yogurt pot plant pot. Keep watching for bonus steps. So now we're going to put our pot to use. Take some stones and put them into the bottom. This is for drainage. Then we're going to take our moist soil, this can be from the garden or some soil that you happen to have, and we're going to put it into the pot. This is quite a messy part of the step, so make sure you have a nice covering on your table to protect it. Make sure to leave some of the soil behind so that you can use it to cover your seed. Put your seed into your pot and then use the rest of the soil to cover it. This makes sure that it's not exposed to the surface. Then you can pat that down and your pot is complete. Congratulations for finishing your yogurt pot plant pot. Now you can enjoy it in the sun.